I'm really excited about today's unboxing. It's a brand new product. At the time of recording, it only came out probably a week ago. So let's check it out. It's the Rode VideoMic Go II. This is a brand new mic on the market. So we're gonna unbox it and see exactly what's in the box. And we know, coming from Rode, it's probably gonna be really good. Let's dive in straight away. I'm just excited to open this. All right, let's see what we've got in regards to the opening of the box. Looks like we've got some sort of seal up the top here. So let me see if I can break through that with my knife. Looks like they've actually sealed the box itself. Oh, hang on. It doesn't open that way. Here we go. Traditionally, these boxes open up and you pull everything out. But I just noticed this box slides out. Sneaky, Rode, sneaky. I see what you're doing. Once we're done with the knife, we should be able to. Okay, now the box should, there we go. The box is gonna slide out. Which way should I do it? I'll do it this way. Okay, so this is interesting. I've never seen Rode packaging this way. This is new to me. So this is the outer box. So let's move that to the side. Let's see how we get into this. We've got what seems to be, seems to be like you grab the side here, maybe. Here we go. Now the end opens up. Here we go. And then the end opens up and then the whole section lifts. Let's do it this way so the overhead camera can see what we got. And then we've got, I don't want to stick my head under the camera there. I'm just going to tilt it so I can look. We've got a number of things. They're in pieces. So let's pull the microphone out first. This will just come straight out. Bit of silica. Put the microphone there. This bit tips out. We have a cable in the side, which is your standard TRS to TRS. Let's put that there. Then the actual mount, which is your cold shoe mount. So that's the main mount. And finally, look in the side here, anything else? Just a documentation. So basically, to put that back together, we have to tip it up and then assemble the box back together like that. And so nothing else in the box. So I'm just going to put that box inside this box so we can just check out the components. Rode VideoMic Go II. This is the regulatory and safety guide. This folds out important safety information. Let's have a look at the microphone and the mount. Now this mount feels really solid, this main part here. And I'm gonna hold this up here. Let's hold it up here. You can see it's a double mount system, so the mic will fit in there. What I want to look at is the mic itself. I'm gonna just pull off the windsock there. You got this sort of capsule here, a little Q&A tag. It's quality assured by number 16. So thank you, number 16, for assuring that my microphone is expertly made in working order. We have the TRS plug there, the 3.5 millimeter. And then what we have here is a USB. The interesting thing about what this mic can do, not only can you put it on your camera which I'm about to start mounting this right now. It grips pretty well. And right now, obviously the mic is front heavy because of where it's loaded, but that's all cool. The supply cable would be to connect that to your camera. So out of the box, it's going to work with your DSLR. Let me hold that up on that camera there. It'll work with your DSLR or video camera straight in using this cable. You would buy an additional USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A to connect, or USB-C to Lightning to connect it to an Android phone, an iPhone, or to a Mac or PC. So this microphone can be used with any device pretty much. So this is the beauty of the Rode VideoMic Go II. So really cool to get this all happening. First thing I'm going to do is plug one end into the microphone. It goes in solidly. One thing to note, and I'm going to probably show it on this camera. Don't know if we get a shot of that. There's grooves on the inside here. So your extra length of cable that you don't need once you go down to the camera, any of the loose cables can be run through these grooves to tidy the cable, to cable manage the cable. So that's cool. But there's grooves there, and you can run the extra length of cable that you don't need to run into your camera through there. Alternatively, if I had a cable, which this is not the official Rode one, but say a USB-C cable, I should be able to plug that into an Android device straight away, or if I had the USB-C to Lightning into my iPhone, if I had the USB-C to USB-A, USB-C to USB-C, I can go into a Mac or a PC, depending on ports, of course. We should be trying all these things out in due course, but that's basically what is in the box for the Rode VideoMic Go II. It is heavy but lightweight at the same time. The base of the main base metal of this mount is solid as a rock. That is solid metal. This cold shoe looks expertly made. The thread for mounting onto a tripod or a mic stand is also under there, so that's got all the mounting options. The double shock mount is just going to give that extra stabilization, so that's looking awesome. And we've got the extra space in there to lay the extra spare cable that we're not going to be using. And I'm keen to do some sound tests and stuff on this, so stay tuned. You might see a video doing a sound test of the Rode VideoMic Go II.